In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS from the main dashboard in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your website's main dashboard. Make sure you're fully loaded into the admin area before moving on, so the menu options appear correctly and everything responds smoothly. Using Chrome is helpful here because it handles dashboard editors and code input areas reliably, which makes the process easier to follow. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the panel options menu and open it. This is where the main settings and configuration areas are usually organized. Take your time to find the correct section because many dashboards include several menus that can look similar at first glance. You want to enter the area where site appearance and layout related options are managed. From there, click into the design section. Inside this area, you should see different rows or categories related to how your site looks and behaves visually. This is the part of the dashboard where style customization tools are grouped together, so if you're trying to make visual adjustments, you're in the right place. Next, choose the Custom CSS option from the available layout settings. When you open it, you'll typically see a text editor or code input field. This is the space where you can add your own CSS rules to override or extend the default design. Custom CSS is useful when you want more control over spacing, colors, fonts, button styles, or other visual details without changing the core settings manually elsewhere. Now type your custom styling code directly into the Open Editor window. Be careful to enter the syntax exactly as intended, since CSS depends on proper formatting. Even a small typo, such as a missing bracket or semicolon, can stop a rule from working correctly. If you're pasting code from another source, it's a good idea to quickly review it for clean formatting before saving. Keeping your code organized with clear spacing and line breaks can also make future edits much easier. After your CSS has been added, click Save. This applies your changes and stores them in the dashboard so the new styling can take effect. Once the save is complete, you may want to refresh your site in a new tab to confirm that your updates appear as expected. If you don't see the changes right away, clearing your browser cache or reloading the page can help. That's it. You've successfully added custom CSS through the dashboard in Chrome.